Hi and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to share with you what we bought in Japan. As you know, we have a family vacation in Japan during the holidays and i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nabili namin, but please do not expect na this is bonggang-bonggang haul, super, you know, mass haul, hindi po. This is just a simple haul na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. First thing is, ito, it's a Furla na bag, but this is not for me. It's for Hazel. But this haul is actually what we actually bought, not just for myself. Ang cute lang. Small, ganyan, pang OOTD, pang outfit. Pero even then, maraming pwedeng mailagay. Kasi nalagay ni Hazel dito yung cellphone niya, nalagay niya yung kanyang mga IDs, credit card, camera, pasok din, lipstick, hair clip, pasok siya dito. Very, very simple, pero parang malakas ang dating kapag na-i-partner mo ng tama sa iyong outfit. Tapos pwede rin siyang maiklian kung halimbawang mahaba. I saw Hazel parang tinwist niyang ganun. Pagkatapos is para umikli. Para kung gusto mo ng medyo dito lang or medyo mahaba. Depende sa'yo. So this one is a good purchase. A little bit cheaper compared dito ka bibili. Actually guys, si Hazel kasi medyo matipid siya actually. Hindi siya masyadong magastos. Marami siyang gustong item pero matagal niyang pinag-iisipan kung bibilin ba niya or what or dinidelay pa niya. Ayaw niyang mag-splurge totally. So sa akin naman is sabi ko sa kanya kung gusto mo, bilhin mo na kasi kaya mo pa bibili. At saka baka maubos yung pera mo. Nawala for nothing. Diba? Naubos ng walang kapararakan. Pagkatapos at the end of the day, maiinis ka kasi walang nangyari. At least ito. If you buy something, makikita mo yung pinaghirapan mo. So, yun ang lagi yung sinasabi sa kanya kasi pera naman niya yung bibili niya, hindi naman galing sa akin. So, it's okay. So, another thing that she bought is etong rubber shoes na medyo nagtipid din siya because she wanted actually yung Alexander McQueen but she opted etong Onitsuka Tiger but this one is very, very equivalent doon sa gusto niya. So, yan. Diba nice? Actually, nung makita ko, gustong-gusto ko din for her. Napaka bagay sa kanya at saka medyo elevated kasi medyo maliit si Hazel so it's very fitting for her. Ayan. So nice, diba? Ayan. Black yung design. Actually, ayaw pa nga niyang bilhin. Sabi ko, bilhin mo na. Para kako, meron ka mga options, baka kailanganin mo ng rubber shoes. And then, for me, I bought an iPhone. So I got this iPhone XR 64GB. And then white yung color. The same with Hazel's cell phone now. But hers, she bought it in Hong Kong. The price is cheaper in Japan. Mas mura kasi I think yung equivalent sa Hong Kong is 45,000 in peso. Sa Japan is about 40K. So, I had mine in white. Hazel has her in yellow kasi favorite nga niya yung yellow color. Hindi ko binili yung X Max something. The reason is, parang I find it too expensive. Hindi ko naman kailangan yung masyadong mabonggang cellphone. I'm actually good with something na, you know, nakaka-text, nakaka-call, nakaka-internet, may YouTube and everything, and this serves the purpose. At ang ganda na rin ng camera niya. Kasi I've seen it na ginagamit ni Hazel and it's good for me. So, we got Bershka. Alam nyo guys, si Hazel kasi kapag binibili siya, parang sabi ko nga sa kanya, ang tagal mong mag-decide kasi she's actually busy. Wala siyang time mamili and most of the time ako pa yung bumibili ng mga damit niya. And sabi ko, when you have the time and you find the one, bumili ka na ng marami, iba-ibang color, just so when you need it, meron ka ng ready, available. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-text sa akin, tawagan ako, kailangan mo ng ganito, kailangan mo ng ganyan. Ano ang hirap kasing maghanap. Sa lahat ng ayoko guys, yung parang nahaharas akong maghanap ng something. And then you ended up something na expensive pero hindi mo naman magagamit talaga. You just need to buy it kasi kailangan mo na for that purpose. So, ito is, hindi pa rin niya pinili yung gusto niyang kulay. Bumili lang siya ng dalawang item. So, this one is a nice pants na white. Medyo maluwag lang siya. Ganyan. And then, she get this one naman na khaki. Almost the same style, but different fabric. Then and then, garterized at the back. May zipper, may pockets. Oh, this one is medyo square pants. So, she bought this too. And then, there's one more that she bought in Bershka. This one is sandals pa to. Ano ba to? Ang ganda, no? White. Ayan. Medyo may heels. Alam niyo naman ang ate nyo. Since maliit, kailangan niya ng may tako. So, this one is nice. Maganda pag suot niya. Bagay sa kanya. Alam nyo guys, pag ako lang, mahilig lang ako sa simple, yung mga parang basic, simple attire lang, ganun. Love na love ko ang Uniqlo. Halos lahat ng damit ko, even yung mga pang-office ko, is from Uniqlo. So this one is, I bought a square pants. This is linen. And then may patibon. Yan. Ginamit ko na to, and I have my picture. Ito ko sa inyo. Ayan. Ang ganda, no? Kasi yung Uniqlo is very affordable. Maganda yung quality. It's comfortable, it's cool, comfy, and everything. Masarap isuot, kaya lagi akong maraming Uniqlo. And aside from that, ang lapit ng office ko ng isang Uniqlo sa BGC. So, madalas ako nagpupunta doon after office. Ang daming natuwa. Ang dami rin medyo hindi natuwa. Sa aming pajama challenge, which we bought this pantulog, this sleepwear in Japan also, sa Tokyo. May mga nag-comment na bawal daw lumabas na nakapajama, huhulihin daw ng police and everything, you know. Sorry, hindi kami aware. Akala namin parang katulad lang dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas, kahit anong damit mo, pwede ka namang, ano mo yun, pwede kang lumabas. So, hindi kami aware na may problem, may issue pala doon. So, we apologize for that. So, ito yung pinili namin doon. Pero guys, these are Champion shirts. I don't know the price of Champion in the Philippines, pero sabi is medyo mahal daw, and I find it na ang mga street style na damit sa Japan is a little bit affordable, which, you know, makes Hazel bought this. I got mine in blue, and then Hazel has her in yellow. Ayan. Mahilig talaga ang ate niyo sa dilaw. Ayan. And then, for Daddy, itong gray. Ayan siya. And then, meron silang twinning ni June, guys. Ito daw is black naman for Hazel. And then, another black for June. Pasalubong daw niya. And then, I don't know, para kanino itong isang black. Ayan, I don't know. And, we have another twinning din. Well, napapansin nyo naman na mahilig talaga kami mag-twinning ni Hazel, no? So, we have, Hazel has, ito, I don't know kung anong dating nito. Malaking top. Parang mukha naman, hindi man siya t-shirt. Blouse ba ito? Whatever. Tapos, this one naman, white is mine. Sabi niya, magdagawa daw kami ng dance cover. Or, tuturuan daw niya ako ng, ewan ko sa kanya, kung tuturo niya sa akin, sasayaw daw kami. Kaya meron siyang biniling ganito. What else? What else? Adidas. Ang kuripot talaga niya. Isa lang pala binili. It's just white, simple. Wow! Yung pala, meron pa ganito dito. Tokyo. Okay. Of course, guys, I bought the Louis Vuitton bag, which I hope napanood nyo na yung unboxing nito, plus the story. Ginamit ko na siya actually, kaya eto na siya. I-link ko down below, guys, para mapanood nyo. Ako, guys, whenever I'm in a different place, parang naghahanap ako ng something na pwede kong mabili just as souvenir, no? Parang natutuwa kasi ako when I look at something, naaalala ko na I bought this in, say for example, in Hong Kong, I bought this in Singapore, I bought this in Japan. So, since nagre-renovate kami ng aming studio, na medyo ang tagal natapos kasi, yun nga, masyado kaming busy, na-delay yung mga construction. So, I bought something very cute, which I wanted to put sa aking table. Small things, small stuff na hindi naman so expensive. Mahilig lang ako sa mga ganon. Nalagay ko lang sa table ko. Ang cute, di ba? Very nice. This one, I hope mapanood nyo yung aming Japan vlogs. Marami yun. Actually, 9 days kami doon. And one of the places that we visited ay itong Shirakawago. This is a very historic place. Napakaganda ng lugar. It's so peaceful. Natuwa ako. Kaya, I bought something. Ay, may paganyan ba? Yeah. I just learned also na sa Japan is mahilig sila daw sa pusa at saka sa rabbit. Parang they feel na lucky yun. And I got one, something na pang display sa table ko din. Once matapos na yung ating filming studio. Di ba ang cute? Oh, it's a cat. Wala lang. Made of tin. Yung motif namin dun sa aming filming studio is gold and teal. Kaya, I decided to get this. Meron pa pala akong biscuit. Korte siyang... Ay! Madurog na. Korte siyang bahay. Looks like, parang ganun. Pa-triangular. Yung bubong ng mga old houses dun sa pinuntahan namin. I got a coaster. Wala lang. Cute lang. Ganito lang. Lagay ko lang sa table. But this one, guys, signifies something. It's very, very historic place in Japan. Kaya ginagawa nila to. Handmade daw. And then naman, ito is also an old popular district doon sa Takayama. May mga picture kami dyan at may picture din kami dito. Makikita nyo yan sa mga vlogs na i-upload ni Hazel. Hazel bought something para din naman sa kanyang room. And she bought it sa Flying Tiger. Dun sa Flying Tiger, guys, meron din to sa Korea. At ang gaganda ng mga items nila. If you want something mga cutie-cutie, ito yun. O kaya, pang-display, hindi mo pwedeng inuman to. Nice, right? And another one is this one. Ang cute, oh, diba? Meron pa siyang papaa, oh. Lalagyan na ng mga stuff, mga small things para hindi kakalat. Yan. Cutie. And we bought some goodies na para pampasalubong. This one, this is popular chocolate doon sa Japanese Alps. Actually, we bought 6. Ang sarap nito, guys. It's a white chocolate na may almonds. Napakasarap. Nandun doon kami, ang dami nilang parang pa-taste test. Ang dami naming nakain. Siguro naka-isang box na kami. So, ito naman, guys. Another goodies sa pampasalubong din. Sikat na sikat tong plastic na to. Alam nito dapat. From Don Quijote. Sa Don Quijote, guys, maraming turistang namimili ng mga pampasalubong. Especially mga KitKat na yan. Pag galing ka ng Japan. Katulad nito. Ayan. Ito is sikat to doon. Ang mura lang. Dito sa atin, medyo mahal. Yan. So, I bought something. Favorite ni Hazel na candy. Usually, when we buy KitKat, gusto namin yung ganitong green matcha. There's a dark one, pero masyadong mapait yun. Ito yung parang lighter ng matcha. And Hazel tried another one. I think bagong flavor. So, alam kung ano to, but it looks like a white chocolate na parang may beans or something. Ayan. And another, last but not the least, ito. We bought ramen. Ito yung very popular ramen sa Japan, sa Ichiran na we bought. And also, pasalubong ni Daddy sa mga ka-office mate niya. KitKat pa din. Walang katapusang KitKat. Ayan, mga KitKat pa din. So, actually, ayoko na sanang masyadong bumibili ng maraming mga pasalubong. Kasi minsan, aside from pasalubong, may mga, of course, we have something na iiwan sa atin. Pero yung something para sa amin, hindi naman nakakain, nag-expire lang. In fact, noong December na we came from Japan, meron pa kaming mga KitKat na naiiwan. Hindi pa nakakain. So, sabi ko, sayang naman na-expire. So guys, yan ang mga nabili namin sa Japan. It's not so many. And in fact, ang hirap kasi rin talaga yung nagbabiyahe ka, moving from one place to another. And then, alam mo yun, magbe-picture ka, nagbe-video ka, mamimili ka. Alam mo, ang hirap ng gano'n. Tapos may hinahabol kang oras ng mga trains. Pagdating mo, at the end of the day, you're so tired. Tomorrow morning, kailangan mo namang gumising ng maaga because you have to do another thing. By the way guys, before I forget, yung winners natin for the 3 Oppo phones, yan, i-announce ko yan next week sa Wednesdays with Jaime. So, stay tuned. Alam ko yung iba nagpa-follow up na, sino daw ang nanalo, kailan daw ako mag-a-announce ng winners. Sorry po, medyo busy lang ang atin nyo, kaya na-delay tayo ng konti. Pero, rest assured, mag-a-announce na tayo ng winners next Wednesday. So guys, I hope you like this video. It's just a way of sharing with you what we did, what we bought in Japan during our family trip. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!